Okay. Good morning, students. Second year English medium students. Okay. Continue lesson chapter 4. State government. Yesterday and previous days we will discuss about chapter 3 Union Government. Government topics already we know, the president role and president functions. Okay, the main important functions and power of the governor. Yesterday we discussed the power and functions of governor, many state ways. Every state under the control by the head of the constitution and head of the state leader, particularly the total whole of the system governor. Okay, Article number 356 mainly president rule. The president rule directly controlled by the under the state. Okay, we will discuss it. So today the state government. The state government here mainly how many type of functions are there? Same as it is chapter 3 union government. Union government functions and the state government functions are it is equal functions. Okay, the state government functions are also mainly how many types of them? Three types of functions. Legislatives, number one, legislatives. Next, executive members. Number two, executive members. Executive members. Number three, judicial system. Judicial system. Okay, the already you know yesterday we discussed legislative, executive, judicial. The executive member governor, the legislative member chief minister. Okay, and the judicial department under the rule of law. Okay, the every state under the control by the every state established by state government. The state government under the control by the single judiciary system of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court and every state high court. It is called under the which department? Judicial department. Okay. The governor under the rule of the judicial and executive members. Okay. Now today we will discuss about powers and functions of chief ministers. Okay. Every state under the control by the state leader. Who is the main state leader? Chief minister. Okay, and who is the main nation leader? Nation leader, prime minister. Okay, prime minister and ministership. Prime minister, union council of ministers, and prime minister. Actually, the whole nation depend. The whole nation, all over country, the whole nation depend on the prime minister and central or union council of minister. This is the chapter 3 we will discuss it. Okay, the state government also same as it is under the control by the central level president, the state level governor. So the state level governor and the state leader under the main power and main functions under the chief minister. Okay, now we will discuss about powers and functions of chief minister. Okay, let us start now. Powers and functions of chief minister. Powers and functions of chief minister. Chief minister under the every state. How to appoint a chief minister? Mainly the governor appointed the chief minister. Okay. So what is the main power and main functions of the chief minister? Okay, let us start now. Here formation of the ministry. First one, what is there? Powers and functions of chief minister. Formation of the ministry. Ministry means ministerships. Like state ministers, there are the state ministers. Okay, the state minister and the chief minister. It is under the called under the cabinet meeting. Cabinet means the state cabinet, particularly the state cabinet. Cabinet means the state level head of the person, chief minister, and ministership. Central ministers under the union level, state minister under the state level. Okay, so formation of the ministry. Number one, what is the main function? Formation of ministry. Formation of the ministry. Ministry means here state level ministers. Okay, formation of the ministry. Next, president about the council of minister. Okay, president over council of the minister. President over the council of minister. Council of minister. Okay, so how to appoint a chief minister? Mainly the chief minister under the appointment governor, the state level. Okay, the president appointed every state governor. The governor appointed mainly under the state controlled by the chief minister. The chief minister mainly giving some advice under the governor, giving some names. Okay, minister names. Okay, which minister under the which department are there? The minister name under the given some governor and president also. So the president ever the council of minister. Okay, next link between central government. Okay, link between the government and other council of minister. Government. Okay, link between the number 3. What is the link between the governor? Okay, the link between the governor and community. Okay, the council of minister. Link between the governor and council of minister. What is the main relation governor and other state ministers? What is the main link? Okay, the link between the governor and the council of ministers. Okay, these are the main powers and functions of the chief minister. Powers and functions of the chief minister. Next, leader of the legislatives. Okay, leader of the executive governor. The leader of the legislative chief minister. Okay, number 4, leader of the legislative. Number 4, the leader of the legislative members. For example, MLAs, member of legislative assembly. Okay, MLAs, all MLAs under the control by the state minister only. The state minister. Okay, leader of the legislative member, and next to conduct the any meetings like cabinet meetings. Okay, every 1 month or some days, 45 days or 2 months, conduct the cabinet. Who is the main important leader of the cabinet? The chief minister. The chief minister under the control by the ministership, legislative members. Chief spokesperson. Okay, next what is there? Number 5, chief spokesperson also. Number 5. Okay, chief spokesperson. Chief means a main important person of the state. Every state under the control by the every state governor under the control by the every state. Okay, so the all of the state depend on the nation. The nation under the control by the nation leader, prime minister, and under the constitutional rule, under the constitution wise controlled by the president. The state constitution wise depend on the governor. Chief spokesperson means here the main important leader under this state wise. So the leader of the party in power. Okay, Next, what is there? Number 6 function. The leader of the party. Leader of the party in power. Okay, the ruling party. Which part is the ruling party there? The ruling party. It is under the chief minister. Leader of the party in power. Party in power. Leader of the party under the chief spokesperson, CM, chief minister, and party and power. The power is also mainly important on the under the control by the state level. Okay, leader of the state, leader of the party in power. Here different characters there. Next, seventh one function, leader of the state, leader of the party in power, and leader of the state, leader of the state government, leader of the state or state government. So these are main functions under the powers and functions of the chief minister. Okay, the overall total state government, the state government, it is decided from the three types of characters. The state government, it is including of the three type of councils there. The three type of council or three type of departments: legislative members, executive members, judicial department. The legislative members under the chief minister only, CM. The executive members, governor. Yesterday we discussed about governor power. What is the main important of this state? What is the main important of the state? The state under the who are the controlling the state? Under the governor only. Okay. Next, judicial department under the state level judicial, it is called high court. The state level judicial, it is called high court. Union level judicial, it is called supreme court. So all are the high courts depend on the supreme level. So supreme level judgment is the final judgment. Compulsory follow this is mandatory and compulsory follow the judicial department. Okay, single judiciary type system in our Indian union government. Okay, but in state government also same. The state government also judicial under the high court level. Every state compulsory one have the high court there. Some states, 2 or 3 states remaining combined high court. For example, recently Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, 2 states, both states, Hyderabad is the one of the high court. The high court of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And example, Andaman Nicobar Islands, the high court is located on the Kolkata. Lakshadweep Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands under the control by the high court, Madras High Court, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Okay, some high courts depend on the 1 or 2 states. Okay, overall 26 high courts are there all over India. How many high courts? 26 high courts. The 26 high courts, 28 states, 26 high courts are there all over India. The high courts are depend under the only one level. The one level is called union level. It is called single judiciary. It is also called supreme court, supreme level. This is the apex court of India. Supreme Court. Same, the state government also under the high court level, under the control by the state level. Okay, so this is the main functions of the under the state government. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about governor. Same as it is power and functions of governor. Today we will discuss already power and functions of the chief minister. Okay, what is the main power? First one is called the formation of the ministry. Okay, the council of minister under the state. The council of minister under the state controlled by the chief minister, but appointed the minister and ministry appointed by the state made important on the state citizen, first citizen of the state. The first citizen of the state. Who is first citizen of the state? Governor. So formation of the ministry under the control by the ministry, under the formation, it is mainly controlled by the chief minister only. The chief minister and the other ministry under the state level, chief minister, CM and other state level ministries total under the control by the cabinet level. Okay, it is mainly, for example, legislative assembly. The legislative assembly, it is mainly Vidhan Sabha. Okay, Vidhan Parishad. Two types of councils are there. Vidhan Sabha, it is also called upper house. Vidhan Parishad, it is called lower house. Like same parliament of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha type. Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad. Okay, the Vidhan Sabha head of the person, governor. Okay, Vidhan Parishad, legislative council of the members. Legislative council of the members. So the formation of the ministry and controlled by the ministers group. Next second one, what is the president over the council of minister? The president, okay, union cabinet of the president. The president over the council of minister. President only mainly appointed ministers like state level and national level also. State and national level appointed under the who is the main person? President only council minister appointed under the which years are reading. The period is 5 years period. 5 years period. Okay, the 5 years period under the any minister change or any minister appointed new type. For example, any minister region of the minister type system. It is under the control by the president only. Okay. Next to number 3. What is the number 3? Link between the governor and council of minister. The link between governor and council of minister. Okay, the ministers. Okay, who is appointed under the state level minister? The ministers appointed the state head of the person governor. The governor only appointed state level minister. So this is the link. What is the meaning? The link between the governor and council of minister. Okay, the link it is mainly governor only appointed of the minister. Chief minister given some names. The names is decided under the chief minister and appointed person who is the main appointed governor only main appointed of the under the control of the chief minister, council of minister. Okay, article number 66 under the appointed of the council of minister under the every state. Okay, this is the main link governor and minister group. Governor and minister group. So the head of the minister group, chief minister. Okay, the chief minister given some names under the head of the state. The head of the state, head of the person. Governor only appointed of the minister, council of minister. Okay, this is the number 3. But next to number 4. Number 4, the leader of the legislatures. So these are functions under the total chief minister of the chief minister power and functions. Next to number 4, what is there? The leader of the legislative leader. So all are members. Okay, total the legislative leader. Who is the legislative leader? Chief minister. The leader of the legislative. Actually, the work person. Okay, actually the state controlled, the state developed or non-developed, the state level programs. The state level programs and schemes such as the education, environmental, economical policy and schemes. The state level under the control by the and conduct the meetings and conference at the assembly level. Who is the main person? Chief minister only. So the leader of the legislative, chief minister. Okay, CM. The CM only mainly actually working the person under the CM only, the leader. So the leader of the chief minister mainly appointed of the legislative members. Total how many legislative members in Telangana? 117. Okay, 117 legislative members are there in Telangana state. 117. The legislative members every constituency under the district level or next total all of the state level. Every constituency under the control by the legislative members. Total overall the legislative leader, chief minister. Okay, this is the link between the governor and council of minister and the leader of the legislative member under the state level. Next to number 5, chief spokesperson. Chief spokesperson means here main important. The chief means here main head of the person. The chief spokesperson under the state. Who is under the state? Chief minister. Okay, so the state level citizenship governor and the chief spokesperson. Any bill prepared, any money bill or ordinary bill, money bill, order bill, or agriculture, education, health, any bill. The bill was prepared by under the ministers group. The ministers group and the chief minister. So it is the main chief spokesperson under the assembly level. The assembly council, the assembly conference and assembly meetings. Main head of the person, the chief spokesperson, CM. Okay, the chief spokesperson, CM, chief minister. Under the prepared by any bill or any bill accepted or rejected under the total under the constitution system governor, but prepared by any order bill or money bill. The bill was prepared the act and bill. The act or bill under the control under the total authority. Who is the total authority? Chief minister only. Okay. Next, leader of the party in power. Okay. Leader of the party. Leader of the party, the which party? This ruling of the parties. Okay, every pairs conduct the election all over nation and state level. State level also every pairs conduct the elections. The election period, the ruling parties continues or not continue depend on the voters. Voters only decide the government change or continue. Okay, and change the new government. Okay, so the leader of the party in power. Which party it is ruling under the state? The state party, political party. The state political party under the leader also chief minister. So this is the so many type of characters, so many type of functions are there. Chief minister under the state. The leader, the chief spokesperson under the legislative members and the leader of the political party. Leader of the party in power. The leader of the party in power under the chief minister. Okay. The party rules, the party developed, the party it is mainly maintenance every constituency, either district level and next mandal, village level, total mainly overall the state level. Okay. Total under the depend on the state level under the leader of the party, chief minister. So the leader of the party in power, opposite parties, ruling parties. There are two types of parties there. Okay, the ruling party leader and the ruling party dominate of the assembly, dominate of the state level. Okay, the party level under the developed under the control by the under the total circumstances, changes party leader and party members under the total authority, total power, chief minister only. Okay, next one, leader of the party is power, chief spokesperson. Next, seventh, what is the last one is called leader of the state, leader of the party in power and leader of the state also, leader of the nation, president. Leader of the nation, it is president. It is the leader of the constitution and nation. Only leader of the nation, prime minister. Okay, the leader of the state, chief minister. Okay, the constitution and leader of the constitution leader, president. Okay, under the executive type person, executive type. Okay, the legislative type under the leader of the nation, prime minister, and leader of the state. Leader of the state. Who is the leader of the state? Chief minister. The chief minister mainly prepared any companies, any multinational companies. The multinational companies also mainly developed under the state. The state under the controlled by the under the chief minister only. So leader of the state, the leader of the state, CM, chief minister. So these are total under the these are main functions of the chief minister, powers and functions of the chief minister under the minister group. Okay, so this is the second type of characters under the state level. Yesterday we discussed about powers and functions of governor. Okay, the powers and functions of main important power. Governor is mainly how many type of there? 5 type of functions are there, 5 to 6 types. Chief minister, how many type of functions are there? 7 types. Okay. First one, formation of the ministry under the minister group. President on the president over the council of minister. Okay, under the minister group, president. Okay, president only mainly here appointed under the misbehavior of the under the chief minister and sometimes ministers also. The link between the governor and council of minister. Okay, next the leader of the legislative member leader also chief minister, and the chief spokesperson of the state, the chief spokesperson under the state, leader of the party, any regional party, every state regional party is there, the regional party power, the regional party leader under the state level under the chief minister only. Okay, any foreign type of investment or foreign companies, for example foreign companies also came to under the state, Hyderabad, Telangana, next to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, under the state department, the state leader only, the state leader means yes chief minister, under the control by the chief minister, state government. Okay, leader of the party in power, next leader of the state, under the chief minister. So these are main important functions of chief minister. Okay, so next legislative members. Okay, how to appointed of the legislative members, like Vidhan Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. And next functions of the powers and functions of the High Court. Okay, previous class already chapter 3 Supreme Court, Apex Court of India, and how to appointed Supreme Court judge and High Court judges. Okay, the High Court functions and legislative council of members, how to appointed, what is the main power of the legislative council member. Okay, next executive members, the executive are some important of the articles, okay, for example in governor, in article number mainly 63. Okay, and next chief minister, and next some minister group. Okay, next high court, and legislative assembly members. Okay, that which articles are the under the control by the legislative assembly members. Okay, these are total we will discuss next class. Okay, children, thank you.